Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It's an unboxing video for you today, a little later than last month, but that's not a problem, it's here now. And it is Awebox. Here we go, April's Awebox. Now then, I did slightly alter the categories for Awebox. I'll just let you know about it. Awebox is a UK only monthly subscription box, and you get to choose. They've got different boxes, so you've got a 4-item box, a 6-item box and an 8-item box, starting from £20 plus £4 postage and packaging. But you get to choose the categories that you'd like your items from, and there's all sorts on there, all sorts of lifestyle, there's a women's beauty, a men's grooming, all sorts of different things. I will of course link the channel pages, the website links down below, so please go and check it out. And yeah, let's get into unboxing this one. So I chose the 4-item box, so this has cost me £24 in total to receive. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Here we go. So we have a little card on top. There we go, there's our box. And then all his wormies are like a navy blue colour, which I do quite like. It's a bit different to black or pink, so. Okay, now I think the categories I had this time, I think, were women's beauty, men's grooming, vodka, and I think there might have been chocolate or snacks or something in there as well. I'm not too sure. Let's have a look. Ooh, here we go. So the first item is the British Crisp Company, and it's a packet of salt and vinegar hand cooked crisps. There we go. Got a good date on them, February next year. They are vegan and gluten free. So yeah, packet of crisps to try. There we go. Next item in the box is in a little bubble wrappy thing, which I'm going to keep. And it is, okay, so it's a miniature. It's a 5 centilitre of the JJ Whitley, and it's potato vodka. Now I do know that you can make vodka from potatoes. Never had it before, so I'll be interested to try that. There we go. It says this vodka has a clean, crisp taste with a light, sweet flavour, hints of black pepper and a creamy mouthfeel. There we go. I'll let you know. So we have a little bottle of vodka there. Next one. Ooh, okay. So potentially I could use this with the vodka. Is Franklin & Sons Cloudy Apple and Yorkshire Rhubarb with cinnamon. And it's like a soda drink, it's a mixer drink. Ooh, that sounds nice. Now, I'm not a fan of rhubarb, but I love apple and cinnamon. So, that might just be a nice mixer with that tonight. Awesome, be interested to try that. Next item in the box, let's have a look. Again, it's in some bubble wrap. Let's have a look, what's we got here? Ooh, is this a candle? Ooh, it is. I must have done candles again, because I do love my candles. This smells divine. This is by a company called Cocoa and Ginger, and it's called Compassion. There we go. That's the tin, comes in a little tin. It says rich and earthy, opens with licorice tones of anise. Yeah, licorice tones of anise, blended with crisp green leaf and zesty citrus fruits. Coconut sweetens the tones of cedar and violet that dry to reveal a cushion of oak moss and tonka. Oh, well, I love tonka bean. Oh, that is divine. That is really, really nice. Oh, I like that. And this is, what size tin is this? It says 90 grams. So that's a really nice little tinned candle, like that. And the next one in the box, now this must be the men's side of it, because it's by Barber Grade Tonics, and it's Hawkins and Brimble. Natural Grooming, and it's an elemi and ginseng body wash. Oh, I like the sound of that. I'll show you the bottle. There we go. Let's have a sniff of this. Oh, that's lovely. That's really refreshing and uplifting. Oh, that'd be great to try. I'm looking forward to trying that. Really nice. Really, really nice. Like that. And what looks like the last item in the box, yeah. And it is, oh, it's by Ethical Beauty. Oh, and it's a balanced face wash. Nice. With lavender and salicylic acid for oily skin, blemishes and acne. Oh, this sounds exciting. What does it say? This foaming face wash gently lifts away dirt, makeup and impurities to refresh, replenish and rebalance your skin. Oh, fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. There's no parabens, no palm oil, no toxins in here. All natural and organic, vegan, cruelty free. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, excellent. Oh, I'll be really, really pleased to try this out. Let's have a sniff of it if we can. And this is a big bottle. So it's 100 mils. Wow. Look at the size of that. Nice bottle. 100 mils, and it's like a pump action, and it's like a gel consistency. I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, that smells nice and fresh as well. That's got, you can smell the lavender, but I think it's got like citrus or something in it as well. Oh, I can't wait to try that. That I'm really, really pleased about. Wow. Now, the only thing with this box is we don't get a leaflet that tells us all the RRP values of all the items in the box. So what I will do is, now I've opened it and I know what's in there, I will have a look, see if I can find the RRPs of each of these items, and I will pop them underneath each one, and then about now as a total for I'll give you the total value of the box as well. So, but I would imagine this face wash is worth quite a bit, because the Ethical Beauty brand isn't overly cheap. It's not massively expensive, but you know, so I would suspect that's probably worth about £10 on its own. So we've got the face wash, we've got the body wash, which is really nice. We've got the candle. I do love my candles, and even little ones like this, they're going to be worth about £6-7. There we go. I'm not going to be able to hold everything in one hand here. Here we go. And then we've got our crisps. There we go. Lean that up there. And our vodka with our mixer. So for £24, I don't think that's a bad box at all. Obviously, I can't say for definite because I don't know what the total value is, but that's quite a nice box. I've got 6 items. I might just do this box one more month, play around with the categories again and see what else I get. But yeah, that's my thoughts and feelings. It's actually, I'm quite like that. Quite nice box this month. Anyway, let me know what you think to this box down in the comments section below. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do tag videos. I'm starting to do a live stream on a Friday night as well, so if you fancy joining for a general bit of chit chat and waffle, and you know, questions can be just about anything, they don't have to be makeup related or anything like that, then please do. That's 8 o'clock GMT on a Friday evening. Yeah, that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I shall see you in the next one. Keep safe, keep well, keep inside. Bye for now.